everyone, welcome to the episode 4 of DIY Motivational Templates. Yes, I know the name is horrible. What I did in this video is I pre-wrote the code which I wanted to be shown in this video, and what I'm doing right now is I am erasing the whole pencil written thing using eraser. Like, I'm not erasing it totally, I am keeping bit marks of it so that it just gives kind of idea to me, like where to write and what to write. And then I'm mixing white and blue together to make a light shade of blue or to make a sky blue color. I was just on the way to apply it on the paper, and then I realized that I have to tape the sides of the paper. And after covering the sides using tape, we will move on to apply our watercolor on the paper. And I'm so lucky that this time the color was exactly what I wanted. The rule is always the same: work until you are not satisfied. And after that, you have to keep the paper to dry for some time. So he's my little brother waving his hand and saying all hi. He told me to not to erase this clip and let his clip to be on YouTube. So यशु, आप देखो मैंने आपकी वीडियो क्लिप नहीं हटाई है. Coming back to the video, after the paper is dried, you have to hold your brush pen and start writing what you want to write. I am extremely sorry and I am pre-notifying it. The whole calligraphy video clip is out of focus as I never actually look at the camera when I am in the process. ended up clicking so many pictures for the thumbnail, although they didn't turn out to be good. But yeah,